I recently created this motion graphic in After Effects, and I have the text layer extending a bit beyond the MP4 that I have underneath it, my rendered animation. How do I get my render to extend longer so that it stays in frame while the text finishes its animation? Well, you can do something where you can lock in the last frame of a layer, which is exactly what I want here. So if you're in the same boat that I am, this is going to be so helpful. All you have to do is grab the layer that you want extended, right click, go to time, and then you're going to go to freeze on last frame. Look what that does. So it creates a keyframe at the very end. And now if I scroll through, it's as if we've locked in that last frame, but the whole animation plays as usual. So it really is just a lock on that last frame. I don't have to create another PNG of that last frame and a new layer and all of that. None of those extra steps are necessary. I can just extend it by hitting that one button. So this is super useful for me. I hope it is for you. If it is, check out my playlist in After Effects where I have a lot more tips and tricks like this one. Thank you for watching.